Monitoring and adjusting the chain tension on your AB230CD or AB260CS Air Boom is crucial for proper operation and accurate application of granular products. Before working on your machine, ensure you are wearing proper safety gear, including safety glasses and steel-toed boots. Before starting the chain tensioning process, ensure that the machine is empty and the chassis is turned off so that there is no power running to the machine. To check the chain tension, locate the chain tension cutouts at the rear of the machine near the chain motors. There are separate cutouts for the left and right-hand chains. If the air boom is a two-product bin, there will be two cutouts on each side for the upper and lower chains. The acceptable chain tension is indicated by the chain resting between the two slots as shown on the screen. If the chain is above the top slot, the chain is too tight. If the chain is below the bottom slot, the chain is too loose. To adjust the chain tension, locate the adjustment rods for the chain that needs adjustment. The adjustment rods for the lower chains are located at the front of the hopper, between the hopper and the cab of the chassis. If equipped on your machine, the upper chain adjustment rods can be located near the center of the machine. One is located on the outside of the hopper, and the other is underneath the hopper. Start by using a 9/16" wrench to remove the locking plates for the chain that needs to be adjusted. Now, with locking plates removed, using a 1.5" wrench or adjustable wrench, tighten or loosen the nut to achieve the correct chain tension. Ensure that the chain is adjusted equally on each side to avoid running the idler shaft at a crooked angle, which will cause damage to the machine. To check that both tensioners are tightened evenly, you can reference the notches by the idler bearings as shown and ensure both bearings are in the same location. Once the chain tension is within the acceptable range, place the locking plates back on and tighten down with a 9/16" wrench. These locking plates will ensure that the nuts will not loosen while operating the machine. If the adjustment rods can no longer be tightened enough to achieve the proper chain tension, you will need to look at performing a chain link removal or replacing the chain. It is recommended to check the chain tension weekly during operation. When operating a new machine, it is important to monitor the mesh chains after each load. The chain will stretch after the first few applications. After the break-in period, with proper adjustment, stretching should be minimal.